So Mark says, do you think salvaged glass from an oven door would work okay in a batch box door? Mark, I don't think so. I think it's totally different. I'm not 100% sure, and it probably depends on the oven, but most of the oven doors that I've seen have a double layer window, an insulated window, and I'm of the impression that it's like, you know, the ceramic glass that we use is rated to like 1300 degrees. There's no reason for an oven window to be rated anywhere near that. Their self-cleaning cycles are like 550 degrees. I do know that Pyrex and things like that, there are some of those glasses that have ratings in the 700 degree range, so I'm thinking they're probably using a material like that. I don't think it's ceramic glass, and I would recommend you do not use it as if it were ceramic glass. So I hope that helps, Mark.